Okay, so I found this tent at a thrift store. I have no idea if all the pieces are here or anything, but let's set it up and camp in it. Here's the poles and the stakes. So it seems like pretty much everything's here. I don't, however, see a rain fly. It might be wrapped up in this. There's definitely not a rain fly, so I hope it doesn't rain, but I think all the poles are here. Okay. So the tent's already up. That wasn't very difficult. It only came with 4 stakes and no rain flies, so that's a little bit of a problem, but hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully I don't need any more stakes than that. Now I'm gonna set my bed up in the tent, and then I'm gonna start processing some firewood so we can get some supper going. So the sleeping bag I'm going with tonight is the Slumberjack Aspen Creek, I think is the name of it. I can't remember exactly. But the only reason I'm going with that one is because it's not supposed to get super cold tonight. And also, it was $11 on clearance at Walmart, so you really can't beat that. So my goal is to finish processing down this big giant log right here. It's gonna take forever, but it would be enough firewood for the whole night, so time to get started. So I don't have the time or energy to process that entire log, but I did get a few good pieces out of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and break those down. I've always liked matches better than lighters. They're just cooler. I actually lost the lid to this pot, so I just use it like it is. And it's supposed to have a lid, but I don't have one, so it's whatever. Still usable and saves me money from having to buy another one. I just have some old Swiss Miss Classic here. Ooh, that's good. It's really strong. I didn't boil enough water because I didn't really pack enough for all the stuff I need it for. But not having a lot of water in it really makes it really rich and creamy and good. Have to use what you got when you don't have a table out here. I'm just using these logs as a little makeshift table. Really should put some oil in this pan, but I didn't pack any, so hopefully the fat from this beef will be enough. At this point, I'm just waiting on this to burn down because I don't want to make the tacos with that flame because it might burn the meat. So I'm trying to wait for this to burn down to coals, and then I'll get started on the tacos. Beef's probably gonna have a bit of a smoke flavor, but that's just part of camping unless you have an actual gas stove, which I do have. I just don't have it with me. I went ahead and let the flame build back up because it just wasn't getting hot enough without it. It wasn't cooking at all, so I had to let the flames build back up. Meat's starting to get done pretty quick here because of this high flame. So I'm about to go ahead and add in a little bit of water and then some taco seasoning to finish it off. Mix it up. Mix in the seasoning real good. Don't spill meat out like I am. I keep spilling the meat because this pan's really not big enough for this. But done. Get it off. I can't pick up this pan because it's just too hot. Alright, we'll make a couple of tacos. They're going to be very simple ones. Not going to go all out. These actually need to go in the pan for a little while. Just get them heated up a little, not too long in the pan. Throw some meat and cheese on these little tortillas. And See how they are. Those are good. But make sure you drain the grease. I should have. Still good though. Really good. Oh. The sun's gone, the temperature's dropped down a little bit, so I'll put on my down jacket. Those tacos were salty, so I need a little bit of water. Sun's almost all the way gone, or the light is. The sun's been gone. Probably just gonna bed down for the night pretty soon. Else to do around the camp, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to sleep. Oh, if I can get this tent. This tent's not bad for like finding it at a thrift store, but I would need, next time I need to bring a tarp and some extra stakes. But it's actually pretty spacious. It's pretty lightweight too. Not a bad find. And with that, I'll see y'all all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. It was a pretty rough sleep last night. It didn't get down too low in temperature. This sleeping bag actually did okay, but I should have brought a sleeping pad. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but anyway, I'm gonna get up, make some coffee, and then pack up and get out of here. I don't feel like making breakfast this morning, so. So this coffee I got is actually whole bean. I didn't realize it. So I'm gonna have to crush these up. We're gonna have to make do with what we have here. So I need a little thing to grind in. So I'm gonna cut a notch in this. Don't know how strong it's gonna be. Oh yeah, it's definitely not super strong. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my wheat coffee and then start packing up. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching, and yeah. It looked weak, but it actually is not that bad. I think it's because it's got so much freaking coffee beans in it. Yeah, it's not that bad, surprisingly. It looks super weak though, but alright. Thanks for watching.